Okay, welcome to FM Tuition Academy. It doesn't matter where you're watching me from. Now, if you know you want to do online tuitions, comment your WhatsApp number and our team will get a hold of you. Just comment your WhatsApp number in the comment section and then we'll get a hold of you. So, today I'm teaching on a topic called mensuration. But we're looking at the volume of a pyramid. You have seen pyramids in movies, huh? And our focus today is volume. A pyramid, how does it look like? Pyramid looks like this. It looks something like this. This is the way a pyramid looks like. I think you have seen pyramids. They look something like this. Other pyramids have got a circular base. Okay? This is a pyramid. Okay? A pyramid with a circular base. Meaning this base down here is a circle. Okay? So this is, what type of pyramid is this? A cone. Okay? A cone. You have seen when people are having a party. Okay? If you're having a birthday party, you have seen children putting on something like a cone on top of their head with a circular base like that. You find a child putting on a cone on top of their head. So a cone looks like this. A cone is some kind of pyramid. It's a form of pyramid, but with a circular base. Okay? So it can look like this. This is just a rough sketch of how a pyramid looks like. And then sometimes a pyramid doesn't just look like this. Let me draw another way it can look like. So it doesn't just look like this. Sometimes it can look like, let's hope you have drawn that. Another pyramid, another form, it can look like this. It can look something like this. Okay, let me draw it in a more, I'll draw a rectangle down here. I'm trying to find the best way on how I can draw it. Let's see. It will look like this, like that. Okay, I've drawn 2 lines, 3, and then I'll draw it like this. You see there it looks like? Another line. This one is coming to join this one here. Have you seen this pyramid? This is a pyramid with a triangle base. You see this base down here? This base, the base can either be a rectangle or the base can be a triangle. I mean a rectangle or square. It can also be a circle. Okay? Like the one that we are from drawing, the pyramid we are from drawing right now, it had a circle base. But this one, the base is either a rectangle or a triangle, depending on the dimensions we have here, like length times breadth. If the length here is same, for example, if here it is 4 and here is also 4, it means this is a what? A square, because a square has got equal sides. 4, 4, 4, 4. So it's a pyramid with a circular, with a square base. But if, for example, here it is 2 here, and then here it is 4. This is a rectangle. Remember a rectangle, one of the sides is longer, the other one is shorter. So the base is a rectangle. It's a rectangle. But this is it can either be a rectangle or a triangle. So when you are finding okay, I can call this part 1. So the pyramid, so it's a form of pyramid. Huh? So it's a pyramid with this is a pyramid, I'll write here. Pyramid with a rectangle, pyramid with a rectangle or square base. Okay? This pyramid is either with a rectangle, the base here is either a rectangle or a square. So this is part 1. I'll stop here and then I explain part 2. Now to do with the volume. I've explained this base can either be a rectangle, meaning this side, one side is longer, the other one is shorter. Or the base can be a square, or the base can be a circle. Down here it can either be a circle, a rectangle, or a triangle. So those are the 3 forms of pyramid. A pyramid that has got a circular base, it has got a rectangular base or a square base, depending on the dimensions that are down here. Okay, thank you very much for tuning and learning. This is part 1 on the volume of a pyramid. Let's go to part 2. So I'll wrap this, we go straight into part 2. Okay, thank you.